Once you get set up, the first thing you want to do is prep the front of the vehicle. This includes spraying the driver, passenger side quarter panels, and the front bumper with your pressure wand. Now this area needs to be wet first. This will make sure the overspray from any of the degreaser will not stain the paint. Next, apply the degreaser to the hood jamb and a light coating on the firewall. Then apply the degreaser to the engine compartment. This can be done to a dry or a wet engine. Make sure to cover the entire engine, including all hoses and plastic parts. Do not worry about using too much degreaser. It's more important to make sure you've covered all contents of the engine. When you're finished with applying the degreaser, use the pressure washer and start with the hood jamb. Pressure wash the hood jamb and work your way to both sides of the front, including the driver and passenger side quarter panels. Next, spray the firewall. Do not concentrate on this area, just remove the degreaser, which will also remove the grime and debris. Now once this is complete, pressure wash the engine compartment jambs and spray the driver and passenger side quarter panels again to remove any degreaser from the exterior paint. Always keep the exterior paint free from degreaser. Make sure to pressure wash the engine well enough to remove all degreaser. Be very careful not to concentrate on any wires or plug connections. Just go over the areas to assure they are clean. Once the engine is clean, apply the Crystal Shield Crystal Shine while the engine is still wet. Find a good pattern on your sprayer and be sure to cover all hoses, plastic parts, and covers. When all parts of the engine are coated, you have completed cleaning the engine. Close the hood and start on the rest of the vehicle. For the last step of the detail, open the hood and using a white terry cloth towel, wipe down the engine compartment and hood jambs, being sure to dab any excess crystal shine that may have pooled in any crevices. Do a final inspection of the interior, replace the floor mats, and you're done.